Okay, guys, so good afternoon, and this is the breakdown of the PIPS calculation, as a lot of people did not really understand the video I posted. So I decided to record this one showing you the chart and also letting you know how to actually go about it in the simplified way on the chart, and also even without using the trading view measure tool, you will still be able to calculate PIPS. All right. And PIPS calculation actually gives you access to um, know the lot size you are supposed to use, and also to help you to know your risk. All right. If you don't know how to calculate your PIPs, it will be very difficult for you to manage your risk. And at the end of the day, you will always trade losing, losing, losing. When it goes against you, one trade goes against you, your account is wiped out because at the end of the day, you took high risk. So how are you going to calculate your pips? That's what we are going to do. So let's dive right into the video. Let me share my this screen so that I can show you guys how to go about it. All right, so let me clear this whole chart and show you something. Okay, so like I was saying, the last time I told you guys that calculating pips on gold is actually simple. All right, it's actually simple. So let me put this line here, adjust it to 2800. Okay, 2800. Where is it? Okay, so here is the line. Okay, so from 2800 to 2810. Okay, 2810. This is it. And I told you guys that this is 100 pips movement. Now let's use a measure tool to calculate. Of course, that's 100 pips. All right. Yeah, so always understand this way. From 2800 to 2810 is 100 pips. What about if you want to get 10 pips? So 10 pips is going to be 2800 to 2801. Okay? 2800 to 2801. That is 10 pips movement. Is it true or not? Now use the measure tool to measure from here all the way to here. Exactly 10 pips. All right. Yeah. So basically, if you understand it this way, it becomes very easy. Okay? It becomes very, very easy for you. So 2800 to 2801 equals 10 pips. All right. 2800 to 2810 equals 100 pips. 2800 to 2900 equals 1,000 pips. Okay, so basically this is how you calculate it. What about if you need just one pip? So one pip, let me put that one up here. Okay. Um, let me put that one up here. 2800.00 to 2800.10 equals one pip. All right. So basically, this is how it is being calculated. Okay. So if I tell you that gold buy now, okay, gold buy now, and I give you 2805.2825 to 2822 SL 2820 TP1. Then I'll give you 2823. Oh, sorry. 2828 TP2 28, let's say 32 TP 2840. All right. This is what I will give you. Now, let's try and find out something from the 2825 to 2822, that is 30 pips, okay? 30 pips movement. Stop loss. When you are calculating the stop loss, your stop loss should not start from the 22 to 20. No, your stop loss should start from the initial entry, the first entry, which is the 28.25. Okay, 28.25 all the way to 28.20, which gives you 50 pips. All right, 50 pips. And then for the TP1, from 28, you are calculating it from the first entry, which is 28.25. So from 28.25 to 28.28, which gives you 30 pips. Okay? Yeah, 30 pips. And the second one will also give you how much? 40 pips. So from the first TP to the second TP, total will make 70 pips. Okay. So if you secure all your profits at TP2, it means you are securing 70 pips. And what about if you take final TP? 25 to 40, which will give you 150 pips. All right. Yes. So basically, this is how I do my stops. All right. This is how I do my stuff. So calculating gold pips is very simple. Very, very simple. You don't need to complicate things. And if you want it to be easier for you, just use the measure tool here. You click on it and you calculate, okay, from this line all the way to this line, how many pips? Then you are going to see. Always, you are going to see, this is 100 pips, but you are seeing 1000. Okay? You just divide it by the 10 you see here, and that will give you 100, meaning it is 100 pips. All right. So this is how you calculate gold pips. And I'm sure it is very simple and easy. So based on this, the 2800, the 1 pip, 10 pips, 100 pips, 1000 pips, you can apply it in every pips calculation you get on gold specifically. And I've also given you a similar example with my setup. So let me give you another example with gold sell. Okay, with gold sell. So I will tell you gold sell now. Gold sell now, and I'll give you, let's say, 2880 to 2883 SL 2885, then TP 2877, TP 2873, TP 2865. All right. 28.65. Now, if you look here, from the 80 to 83, which is 30 pips, right? $30 pips movement. Your SL, always remember that the SL starts from the first entry, which is the 80 to 85, which will give you 50 pips. All right. And the first TP is from the 80 to the 77, which also gives you 30 pips. Second TP will also give you how many pips? 80 to 73, which is 70 pips. And the final TP giving you 150 pips. All right. Yeah, so this is how you go about it. And if you have this idea in mind, then the next thing is, how much am I willing to lose per trade? Okay. How much am I willing to lose per trade? And let's say you are having $100 capital, of which you want to lose $20. Then, based on this sell now, buy now, if you want to lose $20, it means you have to use 0.04 lot size. Because when it hits your stop loss, which is 50 pips, 4 multiplied by 5 will give you 20. So if you want to lose $20, it means you are supposed to use 0.04 because the stop loss is 50 pips. And if you hold all of them to TP, 15 multiplied by 4 will give you how much? That is the equivalent amount of profit you are going to make. All right. So it is very simple as this. Now, I'm sure this is very clear. Let me take you to the BTC I was talking about. BTC USD. And before we go to the BTC, if you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, kindly go and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you have not joined the Telegram community, the link is in the bio if you are watching from TikTok. The link is in the description if you are watching on YouTube. So now let's dive into the BTC USD. Okay, so for BTC USD, well, let me draw this line at 96,700. All right. So from 96,700, this is it. And it goes to 97,700. That will give you 100 pips. Okay. That will give you 100 pips. Now let me use the measure tool and calculate for you to see. Yeah. So it's giving you 100. This is 10,001. 10,100 and something. But equivalent to 100 pips. Okay. So if you are using 0.01 and it moves from this point all the way to this line, it is going to give you $10. If you are using 0.1, it's giving you $100. And if you are using 1.0, that will give you $1,000. All right. Basically, this is how we calculate it. And from 96,700 to 100,000. Okay, to 100,000. Yep. 200,000. This is it. How many pips is that? How many pips? That's supposed to be 360 or so, if I'm not wrong. 330 pips, right? 330 pips. So if you understand it this way, if it moves from 96,700 to 96,800, that will give you 10 pips. Okay? If you move from 96, so let me write them here so that you not get confused. Oh, sorry. 96,700 to uh, to 96,800. Okay, which gives you 10 pips. 96,700 to 97,700. That gives you 100 pips. Okay. And what about 96,700 all the way to how much, which will give us 1,000 pips? That's supposed to be 106,000, 106,700. This one will give us 1,000 pips movement. All right. Yeah. So if you have this idea in mind, you should be able to calculate any pips on BTC following this simple principle or simple approach here. All right. You should be able to calculate every pip or you should be able to calculate everything you see on BTC. Whenever you see somebody saying, okay, buy BTC now, sell BTC now, based on this simple analysis, you should be able to calculate, okay, so from here to here, it means we are risking 30 pips, we are risking 50 pips, we are risking 1,000 pips, we are risking this amount of pips. You understand? So basically, this is how you calculate Bitcoin pips. And I'm sure it's very simple and clean. All right. If you're still finding it difficult, then it means you must pay for me to spend more time and teach you because this is very simple. All right. Okay, so I think I should add currencies. Currency pair, Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD. No wonder. Okay, so when it comes to currencies, it's also very simple. It's also very simple. Okay, so we have 1.02000. And yesterday I told you guys that if you have something like this, 1.0200, oh, 1.0200, the first zero here stands for 1 pip. The second zero stands for 10 pips. The 2 stands for 100 pips. And the 0 stands for 1,000 pips. And after the dot, the 1 stands for 10,000 pips. This is how we calculate gold currency pips. So from 1.0200 to 1.020210 is how many pips? 1.0200 to 1.0210 is how many pips? That will give you 10 pips. Oh, equal to 10 pips. All right. 1 point, always 0.0200 to 1.0300, which gives you 100 pips. Okay, 100 pips. And what about 1.0200 to 1.10200? Is that correct? No. 1.1020. For 1,000 pips, yes, it's supposed to be like that. 1.200. Yes. This stands for 1,000 pips. 1,000 pips. So basically, this is how it goes. Okay? And if you have this idea in mind, then you should be able to calculate every pips. So let's look at a critical example. So fuck, it's gone. Okay, no problem. I'm sure you guys understood. So let's check 1.0200 here and 1.0210. Yep, here is it. Okay. 0210. How many pips? Exactly. So you see that we have 10 pips right here. 10 pips. What about 300? This is the 100 pips movement. So let's confirm. Exactly. 100 pips. All right. So if you understand this analogy, it becomes very easy to calculate pips on everything you see. Okay, on everything. So apply this knowledge and you will be able to calculate pips for everything you see in the market. All right. So I think this video has really helped you. If it has, kindly give us a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and follow for more videos. This is PiP Hunter here, and the PiP must pay. If you haven't joined the Telegram community, the link is in the bio. And guys, if you watch the video, kindly comment. Let me see that indeed you are following, and it will encourage me to do more. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day.